no be all water wey really clean for face and clear for face na really clean o. See, one necessity wey everybody need for their house as you dey pump water from directly from your tank or directly from your borehole na water filter. Yes, no be all water wey be say you see for face say dis water clean o, na really clean. Some of those water wey you dey pump from your tank enter inside your house, they are full with dust and sand, but you no go know. Some of una go say I no dey drink am o, I no dey drink am o, I dey use am dey cook abi, but you dey still dey use am dey baff. So all those water wey you dey use dey baff, how clean it is. You fit dey use better quality soap take dey baff, but the water wey you dey use for your restroom, e fit even dirty pass your village stream, but you no go know. See dis thing wey you dey see for my hand, dem dey call am water filter. Dis na one of the recommendation wey I go fit recommend for you as you dey put your tank, dey install your tank. Make sure say you install dis water filter so that e go dey filter all the water wey dey inside your tank. You dey see am? So any kind one wey you want, e dey. Dis one na for landlord o, or you fit tell your landlord say make e put for outside. But if you be ten ant, your landlord no gree put dis water filter for your house, I get another recommendation for you. Come back for my next video and I go show you for there. So before then, send us a DM to collect any quality plumbing material wey you really need for your house, and we dey deliver for anywhere for Nigeria. See you guys for my next video. Bye.